Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q3 S-Line finished in a Henan blue. The car's got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs and also the front headlight washer jets. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, we have the parallel spoke design 18-inch alloy wheels with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows, and as we move to the rear we have the dynamic sweep indicators with the rear parking sensors and the twin polished chrome exhaust. This is an Audi use approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the matte brushed aluminium finish on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirrors, full-way electronic lumbar support in the S-Line front sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo in the leather with the cloth inserts, automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke S-Line perforated leather steering wheel, Audi's MMI display with DAB radio, digital dual climate control with heated seats and a 6-speed manual gearbox with the electronic handbrake. If you'd like any more information on this Audi Q3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.